What is up? It is some random girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool looking pillow using a fabric tote that I got at the Dollar Tree. Let's get into it.
First things first, remove the tag from the tote and then the handles. I used scissors to cut the handles off because I forgot that my seam ripper was literally right there. Next, you're going to want to flip it inside out and start to sew the opening. I used a really simple stitch, and like always, when you're sewing, try to keep your stitches as close together as possible so the bond will be stronger. I wanted to leave an opening for my hand to fit through, so I sewed up to a certain point, secured the loose end, and then sewed from the other side so that I would still have an opening to be able to fit my hand in. Then I just flipped it right side in again, and when you do this, make sure that you poke the corners out all of the way, otherwise you're just going to have a bulky, lumpy mess. I used polyfill to stuff this, but if you don't have any polyfill lying around, you can also use the filling from an old pillow, or even just get a really cheap pillow from Walmart and rip it open and use the stuffing from that. And then using the same stitch as before, I secured the opening closed, and that's it. So there you go. I hope y'all enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you've done with using totes from Dollar Tree. I'll see you next time.